Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. Today I'm going to share with you guys easy and simple decorations that you can do yourself for this Vinayaka Chaturthi or Ganesh Chaturthi. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So for the first DIY, I'm taking here these leaf paints which I'm going to paint. You can use any colors of your choice. I am just using here orange and yellow for this plate, and for the other plate I am going to use pink color with orange. Once that is done, I am just taking a bowl here. Using black marker, I am just going to draw a circle like this. And then I am going to make some random design with the help of marker. Actually, drawing on this plate was a bit difficult with marker. I don't know, the texture was a bit hard. So I decided to use this liquid embroidery. So with the help of liquid embroidery, I am making designs on this plate. I'm just drawing some random design like flowers. I'm going to complete it by making a border. The same thing I'm going to repeat here. I made two circles here and I'm just going to do some random designs with the help of white liquid embroidery. I'm just using paint cap to make small circles on the side like this. And then I'm filling that circle by making some designs with this liquid embroidery. So then I'm going to complete it off by doing a design on the border, and that completes our leaf plate DIY. So after completely drying, this is how the plates look. Now moving on to the next DIY, that is I'm going to make a small and simple mandap for Ganesha. This is a very simple mandapam that I'm going to make, and I have taken some thermocoals, and these two sticks are from a jewelry box, and I'm taking this plastic basket which I don't use. So I'm just sticking these thermocol like this, and I'm going to stick these two sticks with the help of hot glue gun. You can even use Fevibond. So I'm just going to stick them by making a small hole inside the thermocol, and then I will start painting the thermocol. Even the basket I am sticking with the help of hot glue gun. Now let's paint the mandap. I am using here red and orange color to paint it. So after completely painting it, I am using little gold just to highlight, and then I am using liquid embroidery to make some random design like this. You can even place some stones or any decorative items that you have. You can stick them here. That I am taking this paper cup which I am going to paint in green color like this. I am going to paint the entire cup in green color. After the cup is completely dried, I just made a small hole here and inserted a thread and attached some gold bead, and around the cup I am going to stick some pearls like this with the help of Fevicol. Just hold the pearls for some time. Now I am going to make a small paper flower. I am using here yellow color tissue paper. If you don't have tissue paper, you can use even crepe papers or any colored papers that are available in the stationery shop. This is a very simple flower. You have to take some 30 cm in length strip and then just cut the paper like this. You can fold it into half and cut the paper like this with the help of scissors. So if you don't have this quilling tool, you can just use your hand to fold the paper in this manner and at the end secure it with the help of hot glue gun. So just do like this with the help of your hand and cut off the extras and your simple flower is ready. So I am just going to do some 12 of them. I'll show you where I'm going to use them. So I'm taking an embroidery hoop like this and I'm going to use this LED string lights, and I'm going to tie these LED string lights in this manner to this embroidery hoop. So after completing this, I am going to take some cloth which I am going to wrap around the embroidery hoop in this manner. I am just going to use a rubber band to tie a knot. So after this, I am just going to stick these flowers around this hoop with the help of hot glue gun. So once complete, this is how it looks. We'll just have it in the side. And this cup of ours is ready. I'm just going to tie it to the basket with the help of this thread. So now I'm going to take this red ribbon and I'm just going to tie around the sticks like this. You can even use flutes if you have in the place of the stick, or you can simply use a cardboard or a paper. So I'm just going to wrap this ribbon in this manner around these sticks. And then I am going to stick some pearls with the help of Fevicol. So on the basket I am just going to wrap this artificial flowers in this manner. So now our DIYs are complete. Let's start with the decoration. So I have stuck these two leaf plates on the wall with the help of 3 mm double-sided tape, and then I am going to use these artificial flowers here around these plates in this manner. I am going to use this tool here, which I am going to wrap with a cloth like this. So now I am going to place my DIY here. You can see once we switch on those string lights, it looks so beautiful. And then let's place our little mandap over here. just using a pearl chain which I am going to secure with safety pin like this on the front of the table. So now there is a nail on the wall to which I am going to hang the shawl in this manner. I am just going to hang it like this, and I am going to stick the sides like this with the help of the 3mm double-sided tape. And that's how it looks, and that completes our overall look. Do let me know if you guys like these ideas in the comment section below. If you guys like this, don't forget to give a thumbs up because that's going to motivate me to do more such videos. So friends, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click on that ting 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 bell icon. Only then you'll get notification of all my future videos. More interesting videos are coming up friends, so don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Happy Vinayaka Chaturthi or Ganesh Chaturthi in advance friends. Do enjoy it with your family and friends.